If you don't have time to add specific descriptions to each product when creating them, it would be a great idea to set a general description for all those products, since customers need information about your products to know what they are buying. Unfortunately, WooCommerce doesn't allow you to apply that change on hundreds of products at once, but you have to open and edit them one by one, which is time-consuming as well as a very tedious task. That's why we'll show you how to find all products missing descriptions, and enter a default description for all of them at once using the WP Sheet Editor plugin, which makes it easy for you to manage your WooCommerce store as it helps you to filter and edit hundreds of products quickly. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. If you want to find all the products that are missing their description, you'll need to use the useful search tool. Once the tool is open, enable the advanced filters. Then, select the field short description. Choose the equal operator. And leave this field empty. Finally, run the search and all the products you are looking for will be displayed. Now, let's learn how to quickly enter a default description for all the filtered products. For this, let's use the powerful bulk edit tool. Select to edit all rows from our current search in this case. Search for the short description field. Choose to set the value. And enter the description you want. Finally, execute. Once the tool finishes adding the descriptions, you'll see them displayed in the spreadsheet. As you can see, WP Sheet Editor will help you convert lots of hours managing your WooCommerce store into minutes. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.